Make sure that you don't miss any of our free classes and exclusive new videos on SSB Show Short Plus. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram for more informative and motivational content, offers, and updates related to the armed forces. Visit our website for numerous online courses and study material. Call us on 6364052525 to inquire and register.
So that's the reason I asked, Arjun's four brothers. So guess which?
Mahabharata's four brothers.
Actually, so who are the four brothers? Let me see if you can name them.
Karna is obviously is a brother, but technically he was not known until late.
So you are taking the name of a brother who was not a kind of brother of Arjuna. And who are the remaining four? I said only four.
I couldn't recall the names, but
Yeah, this first time it is happening that Arjuna himself can't remember the other four brothers.
well, I'm fine with Ramayana, but when it comes to Mahabharata, it's obviously
Right.
wrong.
Then your name is Arjuna and you do not know the four brothers of Arjuna.
But-
Your parents would have kept your name based on Arjuna.
No, sir.
Eh?
Karan and Arjun of Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan's movie.
Acha, they kept your name based on that.
Yeah, sir. My Tau kept my name. My father's elder brother, he watched that movie and he kept the name as Karan and Arjun.
Tell me, Arjun, the first thing I would like to know, you have been to the SSB before.
Yes.
And why do you think you are not able to make it? What were the reasons? Where do you think you are lacking? And how have you now prepared yourself for the next attempt? When is the next attempt? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So basically, I prepared well for the last attempt. So when I attended the SSB, I was happy with the performance and I was dejected that I didn't get recommended. I came back home. I wrote down everything. At that time, I realized that I didn't express myself well in the interview, whether it is personal interview or the GTO or the psych. In the psych particularly, I was very slow in writing, where I didn't write beyond 30 watts and 30 situation reaction tests, which I was slow, which I felt that I need improvement. And expression in the term in the psych is my stories and situations were not well. When I introspected, it was not up to the mark for myself. And in the GTO, I was blank at times. I did well. I did well in the command task. I did well in the group task. Our team really did well. But I felt that I got blanked at some point of time. And to be particularly in the personal interview, I knew the answers when the interviewer asked me the questions, but I felt I didn't express myself well, whether it's strength or the achievement, my hobbies in the school days. I didn't express myself well.
Okay, you are giving your 100% to the armed forces. Can you tell me, if you get selected, which arm/service you want to join and why?
Sir, my first priority is Army, sir. And I do not want to miss any SSB exposure, so I'm giving for the Air Force also. It's not that I wouldn't join the Air Force. If I get recommended, if I don't get recommended in the Army, I would definitely join the Air Force. But my preference is Army, and I want to join the Rajputana Rifles, sir.
Okay, tell me something about the Rajputana Rifles. Tell me what all you know. I want to know, where is the Rajputana Center? Tell me who are the any two heroes of the Rajputana Rifles, and also let me know that how is a battalion of Rajputana Rifles organized? Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, two heroes of Rajputana Rifles, Captain Vijayan Thapar, Lieutenant Vijayan Thapar, who I got martyred in the Kargil war, is one of the hero. And I couldn't recall any other name, but one who's in the Chinur Corps, Lieutenant General Dillon Singh, is a present day Lieutenant General who is also from the Rajputana Rifles. And Rajputana Rifles Training Center, I couldn't recall it. I guess it's somewhere around Madhya Pradesh. I'm not sure about it.
Tell me, you say that you are a leader. Are you a leader? If you say yes, tell me the 3 reasons why you call yourself a leader.
Yes, sir. I feel I'm a good leader, sir, because I'm a good communicator. And second, I do not discriminate among the people who are responsible, whom I am responsible for. And third thing, I always try to be the role model for my group of people, sir. Whether it's cricket, I myself put the responsibility on me and scoring runs. And if it is volleyball or any other sport or to anything, even the flood relief work, I try to be the role model to my boys, sir. So these are the 3 things which I feel which are making me as a leader, sir.
Okay, but you also call yourself, you are doing the management, you also call yourself a manager. And why do you call yourself a good manager? Tell me the 3 reasons for being a manager.
So manager is someone who is a multi-dimensional thinker, who is a very good decision maker, and who prioritizes things, sir. These three things are essential for any manager. That is, he should be a multi-dimensional thinker. That is, just he shouldn't get excited with the one single opportunity and go beyond that. He should analyze the situation and get into the deal. And second thing is decision making, sir. Decision making is part of the multi-dimensional thinking.
Okay, now factor 1. Keep noting. Factor 1, the first quality is effective intelligence. You are average. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The second is reasoning ability. You are slightly poor in that, borderline. Third is your organizing skills, which is reasonably good in you. I'm passing it. Fourth is power expression. Your power expression is reasonably good. I'm passing it. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Though in case by looking at you look so serious. I don't know why you look so serious. Gaadi wadi se zyada serious lagte ho, but I know you are actually not that serious. You are actually fun loving and very happy. In spite of you were overthinking, you are actually lively person. So I'm passing it. Okay?
Yes.
Now, is factor 4 is first quality is determination. Though you think you have got a lot of determination, but I don't think. You are only average in there. You got wrong notion that you got a great determination. But I somehow disagree with you. Okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
You are just average in the determination. In fact, you got to improve your willpower, improve your determination, then only your life will take a correct turn.
Okay.
And the second thing is stamina, which is physical stamina. No, second is courage, moral courage. And what is the second courage? Physical courage. Okay, I'm passing you, I'm giving you average one. And in your third quality, which is physical stamina and mental stamina, again I am giving you average in that. Though you have been a good sportsman, but as of now your physical fitness is much more required. Okay, and also by looking at you, I think you look 5 kg extra, but you say 3 kg extra, I don't know. You, by looking at you, you look minimum 5 kg extra. Okay, so you are average in your physical fitness also, because you do not give that kind of energy.
Yes.
Fitness, mental and physical fitness, you don't give me that energy, that motivation, that enthusiasm which is lacking. Okay, see this now. Overall, guess now where do you stand out of 225? That's a big mystery. Big mystery, where do you stand? I will tell you. But you are lucky guy.